Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. If you're looking for the latest stock market insights, trends, and a peek into the companies shaping the future, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about Albemarle Corporation, that's ALB for the ticker symbol, which is a major player in the chemical industry and a company that's powering some of the most exciting sectors of the future. From electric vehicles to energy storage and even healthcare, Albemarle is making huge strides. So, stay tuned as we dive into what makes this company such a strong contender in today's market. But before we get into it, if you enjoy our content and want to keep up with the latest market news, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you've got thoughts on Albemarle, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with anyone who might be interested in learning more about ALB. Alright, let's get into it. First off, let's talk numbers. Right now, Albemarle stock is sitting at $103.84. And analysts, they've got a mean target price of $112.52. That suggests there's about 8% upside from where the stock is right now. So, could this be an opportunity for growth? Let's see. The analysts have given Albemarle a mean recommendation of 2.46, which is pretty close to a buy rating, so they're feeling good about the company's future. Now, over the last quarter, Albemarle saw a solid 17.33% gain, and even in the past week, they've seen a nice 1.2% bump. Sure, the stock's down about 32% from its 52-week high, but hey, that could mean a buying opportunity for investors looking for a comeback play. On top of that, the forecast for next year. EPS growth is expected to soar by a staggering 157.72%. So yeah, things are looking up for Albemarle. What's even more impressive is the company's low debt-to-equity ratio of 0.36. That's a sign of strong financial health. And the stock's trading just 2.15% above its 50-day moving average, which suggests that in the short term, it's been pretty stable. Now let's dig into some of the more recent numbers. Albemarle just posted their third quarter results for 2024, and they're, well, kind of a mixed bag. On the positive side, the company's net sales hit $1.4 billion, driven by strong growth in key sectors like energy storage, which was up 60%, and specialties, which saw a 4% increase. But here's the catch. Albemarle reported a net loss of $1.1 billion, or about $9.45 per share. This was mainly due to pre-tax charges of $861 million related to some asset write-offs. Ouch, right? But even though the net loss looks rough, there were some bright spots. For example, their adjusted EBITDA came in at $211 million. The specialties segment showed an impressive 22% increase in adjusted EBITDA year over year. And get this, Ketchen, one of Albemarle's businesses, saw its adjusted EBITDA shoot up by 134% year over year. So even though they had a loss on paper, their operations are showing some serious growth. And don't forget, Albemarle posted strong cash flow, with operations generating $241 million. That's a positive sign of solid working capital management, even if the market's been a bit volatile. So what's next for Albemarle? Well, they've kept their full year 2024 outlook mostly the same, but they're expecting lithium prices to stay in the range of $12 to $15 per kilogram. This, of course, is key for Albemarle's business, given how much lithium they produce for electric vehicle batteries and energy storage. But, and here's the kicker, they're expecting to hit the lower end of their net sales target for 2024, mainly because lithium prices have been lower than anticipated lately. That said, there's still some optimism in the air. They're forecasting adjusted EBITDA to be towards the middle of their range, thanks to productivity improvements and cost-saving initiatives. So not terrible, but not a blowout either. Now, let's talk dividends. If you're an investor looking for income, you'll be happy to hear that Albemarle just declared a quarterly dividend of $0.405 per share. The annualized rate? That's $1.62. So if you're holding Albemarle stock, you can expect that payment to hit your account on January 2nd, 2025, assuming you're a shareholder as of December 13th, 2024. It's always good to see a company keeping shareholders in mind, even when the market's a bit rocky. Let's wrap things up with some analyst outlooks. RBC Capital just raised its price target for Albemarle from $108 to $133, while keeping an outperform rating. They're really bullish on Albemarle's third quarter results, particularly the growth in energy storage and improvements in the specialties segment. They're also optimistic about Albemarle's ability to maintain its lithium price outlook, even with some price fluctuations. On the other hand, DBS analyst Tina Ting Hu has reaffirmed her buy rating for the stock with a price target of $100. She's particularly excited about Albemarle's future growth in the electric vehicle and energy storage markets. She also pointed out that the company's tolling business could really help them capitalize on rising demand for energy storage and boost their profit margins. So what does all this mean for Albemarle's future? Despite some short-term challenges, the company's showing major potential in key sectors like energy storage, electric vehicles, and specialties. With analysts staying optimistic and new projects coming online, Albemarle looks well-positioned for long-term growth. And hey, with the right strategy and a little patience, this could be a stock that rewards investors in the years ahead. All right, that's it for today's deep dive into Albemarle Corporation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone you think might be interested. And of course, leave us a comment. What do you think about Albemarle's prospects? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.